What if you could launch a fully built Shopify store in minutes without touching a single product design or line of code? That's exactly what this AI combo does. And honestly, once you see it in action, it kind of makes the traditional way feel outdated.
Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done-in-seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro. Fast, simple, and stress-free.
So let's say you're someone who wants to start dropshipping, but you're stuck at step 1, figuring out what to sell. Sound familiar? This is where the tool immediately stands out. Instead of scrolling endlessly through TikTok or product research tools, the platform already comes with winning products built into your store. You simply log in, choose a niche, pick 2 homepage banners that match your brand, and connect the store directly to Shopify. Within minutes, you've got a pre-optimized Shopify store ready to go, complete with product pages designed to convert. No guesswork, no trial and error. It basically skips the most frustrating phase entirely. And these aren't just random products either. They're structured with real marketing angles, so you can start testing ads almost immediately. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Creating content for those products. Because let's be real, even if you have a store, you still need ads. And that's usually where people get stuck or spend a ton of money. This is where Create UGC comes in. Instead of hiring creators or filming content yourself, you can generate AI UGC videos that actually look real. I'm talking about content that mimics authentic user testimonials, product demos, and ad creatives, the kind that usually takes days to produce. With this, you can literally create multiple ad variations in minutes. And if you've ever tried scaling ads, you know how powerful that is. More creatives equals more chances to find a winner. Now imagine combining both of these. You've got a ready-to-sell store from the AI builder, and instantly you're creating ads for it using AI UGC. That's a full business system right there. No waiting, no outsourcing, no delays. And honestly, this is the part most people miss. Speed is everything in dropshipping. Trends move fast. If you can launch faster than everyone else, you've already got an advantage. This setup lets you go from idea to live store to running ads in the same day. And let's talk about beginners for a second, because this is where this really shines. Normally, starting an online store means learning product research, web design, copywriting, and marketing all at once. It's overwhelming. But here, everything is simplified into a process. You log in, generate your store, customize if you want, and start creating content. Now stay with me here, because this isn't just for beginners. If you're already running stores, this becomes a scaling machine. You can spin up multiple stores, test different niches, and generate dozens of ad creatives without increasing your workload. That's huge. Instead of spending more time or money, you're leveraging AI to multiply your output. And in a space where testing is everything, that's a serious edge. And the best part? You can literally get started for free. No credit card, no upfront investment, which is kind of wild considering how much time and effort this replaces. It's designed to remove friction so you can focus on what actually matters, launching and testing. And if you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. This basically turns what used to take weeks into something you can do in a single afternoon. And if you've been waiting for the right time to start, this removes most of the excuses. Build your store, create your ads, and start testing, all in one flow.